What's up, guys? I'm back. A new Gorilla Tech update. Same picture today, Gorilla CORP. Something happened to the basement apparently. I don't know what. I just got in. Yeah. So let's get right into it. So first, we got forest. All the snow is gone and all that. And St. Patrick's Day is coming up. There's Doug over there just chilling. But I don't know why I didn't add the leaves. Oh, pot of gold over there too. Let's go check out city. I don't want to look. I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Wait. Hero versus villain. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We got drill. Oh, okay. We got fishbowl, we got Mickey Mouse hands, and speed activate. Okay. Whoa, construction malfunction. Okay. Okay, oh, free badge. Take it. Take it. Let me try it on. Let me buy it first. I love free badges. Okay. And yeah, let's try on these cosmetics. So, okay, wait. Okay. Now I got this thing. Don't mind me. Okay, we got a hammer. Oh, it actually put the nail in. Okay. Jackhammer. That's cool. This thing. What? Oh, everybody down on the ground. Just playing. This thing. Blowtorch. Oh, knew it. Ow. Oh, we got this. Oh, yeah. Wait. Why are you eating cookies on the job? Yeah, these little things. Oh. Okay. Let's go check out VIM. Oh, and old cosmetics too. I'm not gonna cover those. I mean, they look cool. But I don't have enough time. Okay, maybe when I come back, I'll cover them. Whoa, okay. New cosmetics. Evolving cosmetic. Okay, get rid of all those. Why does that say 0? These, I'm gonna try that on. Those. Oh. See, like, it doesn't work. I don't know why. Try to, let me try to buy it. Oh yeah, it's broken. Okay. That's it for VIM, I guess. It's not much. And then we got these cosmetics. What is it called? What is this area called? Now was a flashback. Okay, we got touch grass. We got clown. Got that thingy. What is that? A badge. Umbrella, watering can, puppets. Bee, if you want to be a bee. Let's check out city. Again. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Oh, what is that? Maybe that's for the live event?
Oh, hell no, man.
I can't look at that no more. I can't trust them. Let's go check out basement. Whoa. Wait. I heart mass monkey? Maybe Chloe likes him. Whoa! Wait. Dang! Who did this? It wasn't the masked monkey, was it? Everything's knocked over. What's that? I owe you one more. Gorilla Corp. It was Gorilla Corp. What's this? Oh! It's like a little area to keep the little monkey safe. Got food. Monkus. Gorilla Corp lies. Reward if found. Monkus. That's new. I knew something was up. Oh, hold on. Guys, I need to show y'all this. Hold on. It's loading. I'm playing with my bare hands. Okay, hold on. Let me put my controllers back on. Give me a sec. Okay, that's my right. That's my left. So, Monkus, as we know as Krampus, is coming to save us from Gorilla. Hopefully. What is that? What is that? I'm stuck. Like the green road? Krampus's footprints. That's cool. Oh, yeah, so this is where you can get all this. I can't use body tracking because like I have the Quest 2. It's for like what the Quest 3 is. So yeah. And I don't trust Gorilla Corp. But thanks for watching today's video. I know y'all needed some more content, and now I gotta edit this video, and I really don't want to because I'm tired. But y'all need new content, so like, you know, I gotta give y'all something to watch. Anyway, see y'all in the next one.